I booked this load. It is 4 o'clock right now. This place closes at 5 o'clock, so we better get moving to go pick this car up. Let's go right now. Car that I'm picking up is a 2005 Nissan Altima, which is a small car. It's also low, so I really hope it'll fit on my trailer. Otherwise, we're gonna run into the same problems last week. I really have to get some ramps made. All right, we just got here in time, and there's the car we have to pick up. Okay, take a look at this. This is the high point on my trailer. There is like almost no clearance down there. This is a big problem because a lot of the cars available for me to book is cars like this one. I will lose so much business because of this. Let's build some ramps. I'm going to take the truck out of commission and build some ramps as soon as possible. Irene, let's go deliver this car. This is a very short haul. It's only 5 minutes away from my house. Let's do it. That was very unprofessional and really embarrassing. Now I'm gonna go directly to the steel yard and go get some material to build my new ramps. This problem needs to be fixed. Alright, look, I just booked this car. It was really close to my house, so I just had to. The ramps that I have to get done really quickly now were designed by my old friend and great mentor, Eugene van Rooyen. He owns Eugene's Tow-In in my home country, Namibia, Africa. Eugene, thank you for showing me how to do this. I gotta get this done. I really hope I can finish it before I have to go pick up this car. Let's go! Okay, folks, I'm gonna have to go through this fairly quickly now because I have only hours left to get this done. The steel I'm using is called channel lip or sea purlin. They're 2 inches by 6 inches. I'm cutting them into 6.5 feet long sections, and I'm welding them together on both sides so that they become more rigid and strong together. On the one end, I'm cutting a wedge and welding in a steel plate. This will make it stronger and give the tire a good place to roll onto the ramp. I'm adding some flat bar on the bottom to give it some stronger structure, and I'm also adding some flat bar on the other end so that it can hook into my original ramps. So then I can use these when I have a low car and my original ramps when I load a truck or a SUV. Whoa! We just got that done. Right on time because I've got to go pick up this car right now. So let's go get it. loaded and strapped. I'm gonna drive home right now, and tomorrow morning I'm gonna go drop this off at the dealership that's 5 minutes from my house. Let's go drop this off. Well folks, I got that one delivered. The owner wasn't here today, he's at an auction, but his wife met up with me and we had a great conversation. I explained to her I was having trouble when I loaded off the first car to them and I was a little embarrassed, but I showed her the ramps that I made and that we don't have that problem anymore. I further discussed with her the possibilities of a business relationship, and she extended a offer to me to go pick up one of their family members' cars that are moving to Colorado and deliver that. So we'll see, but it feels a lot better. It feels like relief. That first car that I delivered on this video versus this one right now, I'm just glad that my ramps worked out and that we can do better business in the future. So thank you for watching, and hopefully I'll see you on the next video.